Hi, I'm Likith,
I'm Harshita.
and we all know that interview anxiety is real. And even if you know your stuff, practicing alone in front of a mirror doesn't cut it. And paying for mock interview platforms is really expensive sometimes.
So, what's the solution? It's MIRA. We have built a platform for job seekers with a realistic, personalized mock interview experience that is available anytime. So, you upload your resume and give a job description, and our AI generates a tailored questionnaire for you, and it listens to your answers and it gives you a structured feedback on your performance.
So this is the landing page of our application, and let me show you how it works. Let me sign in.
You can either sign in with Google or you can enter your email and log in with us.
So for the first time users, you'll usually see the onboarding form, but since I'm already a pre-existing user, you can see all my previous interview sessions are visible here. And this is the profile section, which you will be seeing in as part of the onboarding form for a first time login user. You can configure the interview preferences, like if you want to focus more on system design and behavioral questions, and these are the resumes. And this is the dashboard where you can see all the sessions and all the reports as well. Let me start a new interview.
So this is the place where you can upload the resumes for your profile, and these are already saved resumes that we have already uploaded some time back. And you can either upload a new one now, or you can paste your resume also. Now let us use an existing resume and proceed. You can enter a job description here. Let us quickly grab one from Apple for a software engineer role. So now you can configure the type of questions that you want to be asked. So basically you can configure it to be more of technical or more of behavioral, or a mix of both. So let's move ahead by selecting a choice.
And once you click on start interview, the application will use the job description that you provided and the content from your resume, which is parsed, and will create a set of questions related to your preferences, like including the technical or behavioral ratio and also the topics that you want to focus on. It takes a while because it has to get the response from LLM. And
So this is a version where you have a screen where you can enter the answer. Because we are currently recording this video, there was no option to give access to the microphone because it's being recorded right now.
so let's say this is the answer I want to say to this question, and it processes the question and the answer and decides whether it has to ask a follow-up or the predefined set of questions. So this is the next question that we are prompted, and so now let's answer this question. This is the response that I want to talk to our application, and this is another question we are prompted, and this goes on until the generated set of questions are exhausted. And let me end the interview right now. You can see that there is a rating screen about how your interview has gone, and let's say it's 2 stars for now. I'm not well prepared for the interview right now, so let me give it 2 stars. So this is the report for the interview that we have just taken for the Apple, and you can see for each question a response and a category wise rating, and you can also see a full transcript of the entire interview, and you can also see your performance trend in the dashboard, how your performance has improved or where you want to improve, and you can also see all the interview sessions that you have taken until now.
And also you have a screen where you can see all the reports till now for all the interviews that you have taken.
And you can also download it, and the same screen will be downloaded as PDF for you. So we have also implemented the theme toggle, which switches between the dark mode and light mode. I prefer the dark mode. And we have another feature where we can log in as admin, and the admin can track the entire API calls. Let me log in as admin and show you. So once I log in as admin, the dashboard will show basically all the metrics related to the API calls and the providers. So we have configured Groq and Gemini as 2 different providers, and you can see the number of calls made and the average time taken for each call and the token usage for each call, number of keys configured, and basically all these KPIs will describe about the analytics, and you can see the graphs comparing both the providers, and you can also see the users our application currently has, and you can also see the providers. You can add a provider and add API keys, and these are encrypted, so you need not worry about API keys being stolen. And you can also see the call logs for each and every call. It's tracked in here, and you can see the status